In today's digital world, making money online is a viable option for many people, and it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. From selling products on your own website to earning passive income through affiliate marketing and blogging, there are a variety of ways to earn an income online. This guide will provide an overview of some of the most popular methods for making money online, and help you decide which one is right for you. Getting started. The first step in making money online is to decide what type of venture you want to pursue. Do you want to start a blog or create an online store? Are you interested in creating digital products or becoming an affiliate marketer? Once you have an idea of the type of venture you want to pursue, it's time to start researching and learning more about the various options available. Creating a website. Once you've decided on the type of venture you want to pursue, the next step is to create a website. This is the foundation of any online business, and it's important to make sure your website is professional and easy to navigate. There are a variety of website building platforms available, and many of them are free or offer free trials. If you are uncomfortable creating a website from scratch, you can always hire a professional web developer to do the work for you. Selling products. If you're interested in selling products online, there are a variety of platforms available, from e-commerce websites like Shopify to marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Depending on the type of product you're selling, you'll need to decide on the best platform for your needs. You'll also need to create product listings, set pricing, and handle customer service and shipping. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, and it involves promoting other people's products and services in exchange for a commission. You can join an affiliate network and browse through the available products, or reach out to companies directly and inquire about their affiliate programs. Once you've identified a product or service to promote, you'll need to create promotional content and share it on social media, your blog, or other websites. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your knowledge and build an audience, and it's also a great way to make money. You can monetize your blog by selling products, offering services, or creating sponsored content. You can also join affiliate programs, display ads, and offer sponsored posts. Passive income. Passive income is a great way to make money online without having to put in a lot of effort. You can create digital products like ebooks or courses and sell them on your own website or through online marketplaces, or you can create a membership site. You can also invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate, or offer online services like consulting or virtual assistant work. Making money online is a great way to earn an income without having to leave your home. With the right strategy and dedication, you can create a full-time income from your online venture. This guide provides an overview of some of the most popular methods for making money online and can help you decide which one is right for you.